Wanna create this amazing design in just a few minutes? In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to do it using simple Photoshop tools and techniques. Let's waste no time and get started. So let's go to Open File, click on Open, and then choose your elevation. Click on it and click on OK. And here, as always, the first thing we're gonna add is a background. So let's go here, click on this plus button. Make sure the color is white, and then with the paint bucket tool, paint your background. Then hold it and drag it under our first layer. Let's rename both of them. Let's call this elevation. Let's call this background. So we will start by selecting our walls and giving it a texture. So let's go to the magic tool, click on it, and then start selecting. So here, make sure your elevation layer is selected. Then start selecting the walls. And then go here, click on it, and then choose pattern. And here, let's choose a pattern. If you don't know how to add a pattern, I've already made some shorts where I taught you how to do, so make sure to check it first. Let's choose this one. And let's play with its scale. And then click on OK. Now let's lower the opacity. Then let's select the rest of the walls. Okay, let's start with this one. Go to this button and then choose pattern. And let's see what do we have. Okay. Kinda. Okay. And let's lower the opacity. We'll do the same exact thing with the rest of the walls. I'm gonna just go and select all of them. So let's go and give this one a shadow, a drop shadow. So just go to the effect button, click on it, then here choose drop shadow. So for this one, I'm gonna use a wood pattern. Let's go and add a new wood pattern. Just go to File, click on Open, and let's go and choose our wood patterns. So click on it. Then here, go to Edit, and then choose Define Pattern. Name it whatever you want. And click OK. Then back to our design. Go again here and click on Pattern, and we will find our new wood pattern. Here it is. Okay, let's play with the scale to see how can we have. Maybe this. Okay, I guess this looks good. Okay. And again, go first to opacity and lower it. Just a bit. And I'll keep doing the same exact thing for the walls, the other walls. Let's add a shadow as well to this one. Again, effect, drop shadow. Now let's go and add a sky. Just hold it and drag it into your file. And then let's just make another copy of it. Just with the move tool, click on it and then click on Alt key on your keyboard and just hold and drag. And here you have another copy. And then select both of them. Choose merge layers. Okay? Then hold it and drag it under the other layers except for the background layer. So for the sky, I think I'm gonna change it. I don't see that this sky really matched the fireball I'm aiming for. Same thing for the ground. Go again to your elevation layer. With the magic tool, select the ground and then back to the ground layer. Click on it and then click on the mask background. Now we will add some trees. Choose your tree and then drag it to your design. Put it here, let's resize it first. Okay, then select it and go here and choose color burn and then just lower the opacity. And here we have it. Let's copy it. Just click on it, click on the Alt key on your keyboard, hold and drag. And with the same process, we'll add some other trees. And now we will add some clouds with the same exact process. And same thing exactly goes for the birds. Just bring them here. Now the final thing that we will add is the car. And here we're done with today's design. So just go to File, hit Save the Copy. Here choose PNG, name it, and hit Save. So if this was helpful, don't forget to like and share. And if you want me to do any other tutorials, just leave me a comment below. See you, bye, and take good care of yourself.